Today I'm going to teach you how to leave a comment on cards in Trello. Whether you're collaborating with team members, providing feedback on tasks, or simply keeping track of progress updates, knowing how to add comments to Trello cards is essential for effective project management and communication. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Trello.com. Once you arrive at the Trello homepage, you'll need to access your account by clicking the Login button, which you'll typically find positioned at the top right corner of the page. This button serves as your gateway to all your boards and collaborative workspaces. When the login screen appears, enter your credentials using either your email address or Google account, depending on how you initially set up your Trello account. This step ensures you have access to all your boards and the proper permissions to interact with cards and leave comments. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello homepage where you can see an overview of your workspace. Navigate to the Boards section, which displays all the boards you have access to or have created. This is where you'll find the specific project or workflow containing the card you want to comment on. Click on the board that contains your target card. This action will open the board view, showing you all the lists and cards within that particular project. Take a moment to locate the specific card where you want to leave your comment, as this focused approach will streamline your workflow. Once you've found the right card, click directly on it to open the detailed card view. This expanded view is where all the magic happens, providing you with access to various features including descriptions, checklists, attachments, and most importantly for our purpose, the activity section. Within the opened card, look for the activity section, which serves as the communication hub for that particular task. This area displays all interactions, updates, and comments related to the card, creating a comprehensive timeline of activity. In the activity section, you'll notice a comment field specifically designed for adding your input. Click on this field to activate it, and then type out your comment. Whether you're asking questions, providing updates, or offering feedback, this space allows for clear and organized communication with your team members. Finally, after crafting your comment, click the Save button to store your message in the card's activity log. This ensures your comment becomes part of the permanent record and will be visible to all team members with access to the card. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance collaboration and communication through Trello's commenting feature. This functionality keeps everyone informed and creates a valuable trail of project discussions. Thanks for watching.